Good morning, all of you. Carboxylic acid preparation and properties of ethyl acetate and ester. Preparation, the first reaction is esterification reaction. The carboxylic acid, acetic acid, CH3, C double bond OH undergo reaction with an alcohol, ethyl alcohol, in presence of mineral acid H plus. Ethanoic acid undergo reaction with ethanol. H plus OH minus removed as H2O. Ethoxy minus is added to carbonyl carbon gives CH3, C double bond O, C2H5 plus loss of H2O. The name of our main product is ethyl acetate, or the IUPAC name is ethyl ethanoate. First method of preparation. Second method of preparation, alcoholysis of acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride molecular formula CH3, C double bond OCl, and the alcohol is C2H5OH gives ethanol chloride undergo reaction with ethyl alcohol, H plus Cl minus removed as HCl. The ethoxy minus is added to acetyl plus gives the main product CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5 is added to carbonyl carbon plus loss of HCl. This is our product ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate. The third method of preparation of ethyl acetate, alcoholysis of acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride molecular formula CH3, C double bond O, OC double bond O, CH3. Alcoholysis, addition of alcohol, ethyl alcohol gives H plus and acetate minus CH3, C double bond O minus removed as acetic acid. Ethoxy minus is added to carbonyl carbon gives the main product CH3, C double bond O minus C2H5 with the loss of CH3, C double bond OH acetic acid. Ethyl acetate or ethyl ethanoate. These are the three methods of preparation of ethyl acetate. Now we are going to discuss about the chemical properties of ethyl acetate. Chemical properties of ethyl acetate. First reaction, hydrolysis. Remember that when ethyl acetate undergo reaction, in all the reaction except the reaction with PCl5, the byproduct formed is ethyl alcohol is our byproduct. In all the reaction except PCl5 reaction, the byproduct formed is ethyl alcohol. Hydrolysis of ethyl acetate, CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5 ethyl acetate undergo hydrolysis in presence of mineral acid. H plus and ethoxy minus removed as ethyl alcohol, OH minus is added to carbonyl carbon gives acetic acid CH3, C double bond OH ethanoic acid with the loss of ethyl alcohol ethanol. 2 carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond N oic acid, ethanoic acid. Second reaction, ammonolysis. Ethyl acetate undergo reaction with ammonia CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. When treated with ammonia, NH3 gives, in all the reaction, ethyl alcohol is our byproduct. H plus from ammonia and ethoxy minus removed as ethyl alcohol. NH2 minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives CH3, C double bond O, NH2 plus loss of C2H5OH. This is our acetamide, IUPAC name ethanamide, third reaction of ethyl acetate. Alcoholysis, and one of the naming reaction is transesterification reaction. From one ester, we are going to prepare another ester. Our reactant is ethyl acetate, CH3, C double bond O, O2, OC2H5, when treated with propyl alcohol, C3H7OH, in presence of mineral acid. As usual, what happens? 1H plus from propanol and ethoxy minus is removed as ethyl alcohol. Propoxy is now added to carbonyl carbon, gives CH3, C double bond O, OC3H7 plus loss of ethyl alcohol C2H5OH. This is the functional group for ester. To the ester functional group, one methyl and one ethyl is attached. But here one methyl, one propyl is attached. So what is the IUPAC name? Propyl acetate. Propyl acetate. So the IUPAC name is propyl ethanoate. Propyl ethanoate. Transesterification reaction. Next reaction, naming reaction, Claisen condensation reaction. Ester containing at least one alpha hydrogen atom undergo Claisen condensation reaction in the presence of a strong base. One molecule of ethyl acetate, CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5, undergo condensation reaction with another molecule of ethyl acetate. Functional group attached to carbon atom, this carbon atom is alpha carbon atom, and the hydrogen attached to alpha carbon are called alpha hydrogen. Therefore, ethyl acetate containing alpha hydrogen, that alpha hydrogen now I separate CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. In presence of a strong base, sodium ethoxide, C2H5ONA. Both the reactant are ethyl acetate, H plus alpha hydrogen and ethoxy minus as usual removed as ethyl alcohol. This minus is added to carbonyl carbon, gives a beta keto ester. A beta keto ester. Now I write the molecular formula CH3, C double bond O, minus is added to plus, CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5 plus loss of C2H5OH. This is where a new compound, ethyl alcohol along with ethyl alcohol. This is your ethyl, C2H5, ethyl, and aceto, that acetyl is called here as aceto. And if it is CH3, C double bond O, O minus, called acetate. Ethyl aceto acetate. This is alpha carbon beta keto ester. Alpha carbon beta keto ester. Alpha carbon beta keto ester. An example of beta keto ester is ethyl acetoacetate. Then the last reaction, a reaction with phosphorus pentachloride. Like acetic anhydride and diethyl ether, CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5, ethyl acetate. When treated with phosphorus pentachloride PCl5. Now ionize this ethyl acetate into acetyl plus ethyl plus. Now I add PCl5 to ethyl acetate, PCl3ClCl. That is CH3C double bond OCl, CH3C double bond OCl, acetyl chloride, C2H5Cl plus along with POCl3. We know the name of this product. This is your acetyl chloride, a well-known compound. 2 carbon eth single bond N oil chloride ethanoyl chloride, and second one is chloroethane. Only in this reaction no ethyl alcohol is formed as byproduct, but in all other above reactions ethyl alcohol is formed as a byproduct. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.